Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's topic revolves around a product so iconic and timeless that it has stood the test of time. This humble jar of Vaseline Petroleum jelly has been a staple in many households for generations. It's just a product so simple yet so incredibly versatile that it deserves a place in every medicine cabinet. Over the years, Vaseline has earned its reputation as a skincare hero. And in this video, we're going to uncover the secrets behind its enduring popularity. Join us as we explore the myriad uses of Vaseline, from its effectiveness in moisturizing the skin to its surprising beauty benefits. Get ready to discover why this humble jelly is a must-have for people of all ages. At its most basic level, Vaseline Petroleum Jelly is a moisturizer. And oh, what a moisturizer it is! It deeply hydrates the skin, keeping it soft and supple. This makes it an excellent choice for those who have dry or sensitive skin. But its benefits don't stop there. Vaseline also has anti-inflammatory properties. This means that it can help soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. So if you're looking for a product to calm down your irritated skin, Vaseline might just be your answer. Another fantastic benefit of Vaseline is its ability to heal minor cuts and burns. Yes, you heard it right. This jelly can speed up the healing process and prevent scarring. And when it comes to scarring, Vaseline is your go-to solution. Applying it to the affected area can help minimize the appearance of scars, making them less noticeable over time. Isn't that amazing? But wait, there's more. Vaseline is also a fantastic makeup remover. It can effortlessly wipe away even the most stubborn makeup, leaving your skin clean and refreshed. Plus, it's gentle enough for use around the eyes. So say goodbye to harsh makeup removers and hello to Vaseline. And let's not forget about the power of Vaseline when it comes to protecting the skin from the elements. This jelly forms a protective barrier on the skin, shielding it from wind, cold weather, and other harsh environmental factors. So if you're someone who spends a lot of time outdoors, don't forget to pack some Vaseline. Now that you're aware of all these incredible benefits, let's explore some everyday uses of Vaseline. From lip balm to cuticle care, this jelly has got you covered. It's perfect for soothing and healing chapped lips. Just apply a small amount and you'll instantly feel the soothing sensation. Additionally, Vaseline can work wonders on your cuticles. Apply it to your cuticles and nails and say goodbye to dryness and hangnails. And here's a pro tip for you. Apply Vaseline to your eyebrows to keep them in place all day. It's a great alternative to eyebrow gel and can help tame unruly brows. So there you have it, folks. Vaseline Petroleum Jelly is a true gem when it comes to skincare and beauty. Its affordability, effectiveness, and versatility make it a must-have for everyone. So next time you're in the market for a skincare product, don't overlook this humble jar of magic. Give it a try and experience the difference it can make in your beauty routine. However, it is important to note that while Vaseline is generally safe for most people, it is not intended for the treatment of skin conditions. If you have any concerns or questions, it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional. Thank you for tuning in and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay beautiful.